I think at the EU level, climate change adaptation and overall efforts has been accelerated greatly through this mandate. The first legislation that this Commission has put forward was the European Green Deal. And if you look, despite a very challenging times, despite the COVID pandemic, despite the war, we have advanced. And we really managed to put those most important blocks. We've put the biodiversity strategy, circular economy action plan, Fit for 55 plan. So we not only have, ambitious and goals, but we have a concrete plan how to get to the ambition. So I think now the time is for implementation and also ensuring that we have a global trend. That, of course, it's not only EU ambition, because EU on itself or one country cannot fight climate change. We need everyone on board, and I'm happy to be here today so that we can talk about how to reinforce it also in the finance world, because, of course, these efforts, they require a massive amount of funds.